board, Praveer Sinha, the CEO and MD, and chat about what the quarter was and what's the visibility looking like going ahead. Praveer, great to have you on ET Now. Thank you so much for your time, and congratulations firstly on reporting this 11% year-on-year increase in your profits this quarter. Tell me, what were the biggest drivers behind this kind of growth, and do you expect them to remain sustainable going forward?
Good morning. Thank you for having me on your show. You're right that this quarter has been phenomenal, but I think this is the 27th consecutive quarter in which we have shown growth in revenue and PAT. So I think it's on back of very consistent performance of all our businesses. Some are doing exceedingly well, but all of them are doing well. Our existing generation business, conventional coal and gas and hydro have done exceedingly well. We've shown a growth of nearly 16%. Similarly, transmission and distribution has shown a very good growth of, again, 15%. And renewable is 20% growth compared to last year's similar quarter. So I think there has been a consistent performance. And what we are seeing is that with more capacity adds that is happening, and typically the first quarter is little muted compared to the subsequent quarter, we will see more than 4 to 4.5 times of every of these parameters on revenue, EBITDA and PAT. So you can expect a very good year from Tata Power in FY27, and consistent performance you will see right across all quarters.
You know what the street is most charged up about is this highest ever quarterly Capex that you've announced, and a sizable one at that as well. Tell me, how will this capital be deployed, and how comfortable are you with the company's current debt profile?
So this quarter, it is the highest Capex that we have done, and that demonstrates that now all our projects, especially the utility scale renewable projects, are getting implemented very fast. We earlier used to do a lot of third-party projects. Now we are doing everything in-house. So this year we have a plan to set up nearly 2.5 to 2.7 gigawatt of renewable projects. We also have a huge Capex happening in our distribution business, transmission business, including the Mumbai transmission. And while we used to do earlier about 500, 600 crores in Mumbai transmission, this year we'll do about 1,500 crores. So I think generally you would come across very good performance from all our businesses, and they will start again. The benefit of that will start showing in the next 6 months when we have some of these projects commissioned, and their revenue and impact on PAT and EBITDA will be seen. So I think you will see very consistent performance from Tata Power going forward.
Hi, good morning, Sajit here. You operationalized your pump storage power project as well in this quarter or then last month as well. Can you give us a sense of the kind of timeline that you have for the pump storage portfolio for yourself?
So the first 1,000 megawatt is under implementation. We do expect that this will start showing results when the plant gets commissioned in early part of 29, calendar year 29. And the second one, the 1,800 megawatt, we expect later part of this year, the work to start, and that will get commissioned by 2031. So I think these will be very strong storage projects. We already got the first win in the SECI bid, very good tariff that we have been able to win in that. And I do expect that the similar trend you would see in the subsequent bids that will come up, which we are expecting in next 6 to 9 months.
Sinha, if you can also give us a sense of the solar manufacturing profits as well, from that point of view, how do you see the scale up happening? As you move towards 10 gigawatt of ingot and wafer facility, how sustainable is this growth? What kind of investments you will need further to bring up that capacity?
So our manufacturing plant, the cell and module 4.3 gigawatt, is working at full capacity. We produce more than 1 gigawatt in 1 quarter. and I think this will continue in future because the optimization that we are doing in that is helping us to improve the performance, both in terms of yield efficiency and also optimization in cost. And you would see that our PAT for the manufacturing has gone up more than 2 times in this quarter compared to last year's similar period. And this is on back of excellent cost optimization efforts and production efforts. Expect the 10 gigawatt of wafer plant, the work to start in October and commission first quarter of calendar FY 27, sorry, 28. And we are on track to again implement excellent state-of-the-art plant, which will start producing wafers and ingots, which is the raw material for our cell plant.
I also want to talk about Mundra because that resumed full operations under Section 11. Tell me, how much did this contribute to Q1 performance and what is the long-term strategy now for the plant?
So Mundra is now working on the SPPA. Though the operation is under Section 11, the tariff is under SPPA to all the procurers. What we expect is that we will be quits in this. We will not make any loss or any profit in this. Last year, we made a loss of nearly 1,100 crores. So that's the benefit of this project because it will be on a cost reflective tariff, and it should be able to sustain its operation without incurring any further loss.
Sinha, congratulations once again and thank you for your time today. Good speaking with you.